Hi, sir. Good evening. Sir, some camps have been viewing your memorandum number 32 with suspicion. May we know why you issued that order and why in those places, sir?
But itong dalawang,
Yung MO 32, sir. Additional deployment, military and police deployment.
dito sa special, no?
Yes, sir.
Well, because there are so many encounters there and I'm losing a lot of soldiers and policemen. Ambuscades and everything. You place troops where you think that you need an added force. I seem to be, I'm surprised why you are so interested about deployment when I'm supposed to take care of the security of the country.